So what's up guys? Welcome to our other video. Ito naman guys, sa sunod. Nandito naman tayo sa Minecraft server. Yan. Naglalaro naman tayo ng Minecraft. Ito yung totoong Minecraft, okay? Oh, ganda. Ganda ba guys? Ang dami. Kasi ang dami. Wala pa akong token eh. Kakastart ko lang, kaka-join ko pa. Ang mahal naman. Golems. Oh, wait lang. Parkour. Dali. No, no, no! Ay, sorry guys. Mamakin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ayun ay. So, hindi ko alam anong gagawin dito. Yung dragon. Ito guys. No. Pangaso. Eh. So, pa-shoutout sa'yo. Epic Down 229. Sana makita mo tong video. Yeah. Ganyan tayo. Tara. So, ayun to guys. Oh, may portal. Can I go in? Na. I can't go in. Wala pa kasi akong nabibili dito eh. Oh, learn more about showcase. Ay guys, nasan ako? Oh my god guys. Ano to? Return to spot na bro. Red. Your chat can be red, blue. Ano ba? Rainbow. What the frick? What the? Oh no, my gosh. Guys, dinosaurs pala to. I think. My bike, guys. My bike. My wonder. Yan guys, wala pa akong budget. Oh my god. Yan guys, nga so. Ibili pa lang ako ay VIP. Ang ganda nitong motor eh. Ano pa yun nandito? Oh my god, bro. Animals. This is my team, bro. The shop. This is dinosaur. What kind of dinosaur is that? Ghost builder. Gorilla. Hot dog. Can you die here? Down testing na natin dito. Kung mamamatay tayo. No, we can... Business na ako. Oh my god. Wala, hindi na ako makatakas dun. Let's jump para umalis yung fire. Are we back in spawn? Oh my god, sino to? Oh, bro. Oh my god, bro. Ano na? Ito guys, return to lobby. Vote. Undersea. Mountain tayo, timber. Waiting for players. Also, this not still spawn. Oh my god, guys! Anong gagawin kayo natin dito? I'm so happy, guys. I'm very happy. Wait lang. Ibahin lang natin yung settings. Let's go settings and we go, oh no, dito sa baba. Let's go down here. Yan. Ay. Ito. Classic tayo. Para mas maganda dito sa baba. Horstin. Elmar, please. Okay. 22 seconds. You. Ito. Ready lang natin to. Yan. Ready lang natin, syempre. Yan na, guys. Yan na. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tara. Fun. Papatayan tayo, guys. Papatayan yan, Toby. Oh my god, guys. So much good. Hindi, papatayan namin yung zombies. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, bro. Guys. My creeper! My creeper. Alis na ako. Nah, guys. Nah, guys. Alis. Oh my god, guys. Guys. Ang daming mobs, guys. Tulong. Guys, tulong. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, may isa pa dito. My god, bro. Oh my god. Guys, ang dami. One more hit, I'm dead, guys. One more hit, I'm dead now, guys. Guys, I'm dead if one more hit. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Ito, guys. Ay, Ana. Ito, guys. Can I hide here? Oh my god, guys. Ang bilis nila. No. Guys, stop. Oh my god, guys. Saan yung kasama ko? Good, guys. Ako na lang yata yun nandito. God. I think pwede na yata umakyat, diba? Dito. Guys. Bawal, guys. Oh my god, guys. Ano yun nakita ko? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, bro. Can you break some trees? Wala. No, we can't. Alis ka dyan! Oh my god. Ang gugulo nyo. Oh my god. Guys, so we're going to survive only. Only to survive. Okay, 3 of that. Now can we go up? No. Ay, bawal. Guys. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Dami guys. Oy! Bibilis. Get the frick out of here. Oh my god, ang dami, guys. Ang dami. I'm gonna just climb. Guys. They're not even, I'm gonna kill one of these. Oh, I'm gonna climb there. Go! Oh my god, guys! Mauna na ako dun. Guys, mauna na ako dun. Don't worry about me. Come here, niggers. Aray ko, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Okay, dito na mag-end. I will finish this. Part 1. This part 1, guys.